Hello, my name is Mary Marr and I am a home economics teacher in a special needs school in County Kildare. We are now going to clean the table. Place some hot water in your basin. And put in 2 squirts of washing up liquid. Take your cloth squeeze it out very well. We take our little food basin and we will go to the table. Firstly, we're going to clean the table of any crumbs or food particles that might be on it. And secondly, we're going to disinfect the table afterwards. So first of all, clean the table down, putting any food particles into your food bin. It's very important to clean before you disinfect. Now we're going to do the worktop where the dirty dishes were. Any scraps go into the food bin. Place any food waste in your waste bin. Take your cloth and wipe down your sink. Rinse out your cloth in your hot water. Squeeze it very tight. You may need to get an adult to help you with this. Next, we take our disinfectant spray and we are going to spray down our table so that no germs can grow. It is helpful for your students to remind them that germs are very, very small. We can't see them with our naked eye, but just to help, you may draw a few little faces on the table to represent germs. Now we are going to spray 6 sprays on this table. Open your spray and always spray downwards to protect your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure your spray is closed well, and if there are small children in the house, place the spray in a high press. Open your cloth wide and wipe down your table, removing the germs you have put on the table. It's very important to go into the corners and remind your students of this. And let the table dry naturally. Now we're going to spray down the worktop and the sink. Once again, take your spray and we're going to use 3 sprays. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to put 3 sprays on the sink. 1, 2, 3. And we're also going to spray the taps. 1, 2, 3. Close your spray. Opening your cloth wide, work from the back out towards the front. Lifting up any objects. So from the back out towards the front. Wipe down your sink Empty out your basin. Wipe it out with your cloth. Place your cloth and your dishwasher spray, and your washing off liquid in your basin and put it away. Thank you for watching the video on cleaning the table and worktops. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.